everybody, it's me, Tommy. Today I have a new vacuum cleaner to show. This is my Hoover Dial A Matic model 111630. I got it off eBay for $150 in Harrisburg. They sold it for. It's a great vacuum cleaner. I'm glad to have it. It has everything right here. The Hoover logo, the exhaust fan, the light, the switch, and it has the automatic power drive button. Right here is the
Wait a minute.
foot release. What happened?
Nothing. Keep going. I'm trying to keep you in focus.
The foot release button. This thing, the automatic power drive, Dial A Matic. And this is pretty cool. The bag. Right here. I gotta get in the shower in a few minutes, so I'm gonna turn it on and give it a run. We'll start from over here, and I'll go over there, and I'll come back here again. Got it aiming? Recording?
Yes. The red button's flashing.
Excuse me, folks. Just making sure. We're doing it. I'm sorry about that. My mommy is going to camera. Here goes nothing. Of course, I gotta plug it in. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go, folks. You have my Hoover Dial A Matic. Before I stop the video, I'd say these vacuum cleaners on sale on eBay. I don't have any dollars, but maybe $90. So if you want to buy one, get one before it's this time left. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Bye.